Hello, I'm Haider Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is modernizing facilities, refinancing for Edmonton manufacturing firms, upgrading your plant, new automation cells, energy efficient HVAC, lean layouts can drive productivity and sustainability, but it often requires significant capital. Strategic refinancing lets you repurpose existing debt and free up funds for modernization without draining reserves. Here's how Edmonton manufacturers can reshape their financing to invest in the future. 1. Review your current debt profile. Inventory obligations. List all term loans, equipment leases, lines of credit, and real estate mortgages, note rates, maturities, balances, and covenants. Cash flow mapping. Compare debt service schedules against operating cash inflows to identify peak payment periods that conflict with modernization outlays. 2. Refinancing objectives. Lower overall cost. Replace high-rate floating balances with longer-term fixed-rate loans at prime plus 1% or better. Extend or reset amortizations. Move from 3 5-year paydowns to 7 to 10-year terms, reducing monthly principal and freeing up cash for capital projects. Consolidate facilities. Roll multiple loans and leases into a single structured term facility or an equipment line of credit, ELOC, for simpler management and potential rate discounts. Improve flexibility. Add interest-only periods, springboard payment holidays, or accordion options to draw extra funds as modernization phases roll out. 3. Refinance structures. 1. Term loan replacement. Refinance existing equipment loans and mortgages into a single 7-year term loan at fixed rates. Extend amortization to align with asset lives, e.g., 10 years for HVAC or roof replacements. 2. Equipment line of credit, ELOC. Secure a revolving facility against your machinery and real estate. Advance 60-75% of appraised value. Use for staggered equipment upgrades. Draw, repay, and redraw as each production line is modernized. 3. Sale-Leaseback for real estate or core assets. Sell owned plant or late model automation cells and lease them back as operating leases. Unlock 70-85% of equity to fund major redesigns, new clean rooms, mezzanines, utility upgrades. 4. Vendor and OEM financing. Tap manufacturer promotions. 0% for 12 months on retrofit HVAC or robotic cells. Combine with your refinance so that lease payments sync with government rebate schedules. 4. Government and utility incentives. Canada SPFP. Federal guarantees on loans up to $1 million for equipment upgrades, lowering rates by $20. Provincial grants. Alberta innovates an emissions reduction. Alberta offer grants or low-interest loans for energy efficiency projects. Utility rebates. Fortis Alberta rebates for demand management and lighting upgrades. Tip: sequence draws so that your refinance closes just after rebate approvals, minimizing cash outlays. 5. Negotiation and covenant management. Advance rate and collateral. Use recent professional appraisals to maximize your ELOC and term loan sizing. Interest-only windows. Negotiate a 6 to 12-month interest-only period at the start of your modernization cycle. Covenant flexibility. Seek amortization-based covenants instead of rigid coverage tests. Build in springboard waivers during major retrofit phases. 6. 3 action steps. 1. Audit and model. Compile your debt schedule, asset appraisals, and cash flow forecast under modernization cost scenarios. Estimate incremental revenue or energy savings. 2. Solicit competitive bids. Approach at least 3 lenders, major banks, credit unions, and specialty equipment financiers for term loan and e-loki term sheets, including sale-leaseback options. 3. Optimize and close. Compare all-in costs, interest, fees, service bundles, and secure the blended package that delivers the lowest true cost of capital and the flexibility to phase your upgrades. By refinancing smartly, extending terms, consolidating debt, leveraging sale leasebacks, and tapping incentives, Edmonton manufacturers can unlock funding for facility modernization while preserving working capital. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening, and here's to building a more productive, efficient future.